Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Solana price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis, and starting here on the daily chart where we are looking at an A, B and a C towards the upside. Your wave A here is an impulse in the history, of course, and we are looking at three waves toward the downside for a wave B, and your wave C is 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5 towards the upside, where we would like to hit almost around the $440 for the minimum target as a wave 5. Now your wave 5 is taken of course from your wave 1 here and the top of your wave 3 as a fib level, and giving us of course this fib levels of course, which is much possible to hit the 0.618 so far, and if we move higher we are looking then for $702 for Solana. Currently, we are of course in a wave 5, and we are looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Your wave 3 probably is not finished yet, and that because we are looking of course inside this wave for several 1, 2s, and you have just finished a wave 3 here for your first 1, 2. So if we would like to move closer to this scenarios, so let's move to the 1 hour chart. In the 1 hour chart, we are looking, of course, to these 1, 2s. We are currently in the orange scenario, where we are now in 1, 2, 3, finished a wave 3, of course, as you can see as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, finishing that wave 3 in orange. And we are looking for A, B, C as a correction. However, this correction has finished very, very fast. And by all means, your wave 4 has finished, of course, shorter in time based on your wave 2. And that because, as you can see, the fib time taken from the wave 2, we have bottomed before the 0.618, which is not really very likely to finish a very fast wave 4. And of course, we would like to see another bottom for the wave 5, in 3 waves, of course, A, B, and a C. Now, as you can see, we have 3 waves down, 3 waves up, and we are looking at a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to finish, of course, all around the 0.38 fib level at $216, or even lower for 207, of course. And this fib level is taken, of course, from this wave A, B, and a C, giving us a 1-to-1 zigzag fib level, of course, at $207 for Solana. Now, if we move a little bit closer to analyze this wave, we can see, of course, after those 3 waves up, we are looking here at a diagonal as a 1, a 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5, finishing a short wave 5, but still a diagonal for a wave 1. And then we are looking, of course, for a wave 2 after it, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Your wave 5 is finishing now as, of course, an ending diagonal, but this is only for your wave 3. And if we move on the 15-minute chart to see much closer what is going on, so what I'm talking about is here 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Of course, finishing this wave 3 in a diagonal, and then having, of course, a correction for a wave 4, and then moving one last wave towards downside to finish the main wave 5 for this 1, 2. And that will make it, of course, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, hitting around the 0.38 fib level. If we got a very strong sell trend, we might reach the $207 with 1-to-1 fib level, of course, for this correction. Now, to get much more proof for our Elliott wave analysis, and that we are still looking for towards the downside, it is preferably to get into the KGT indicator. So first of all, we still in a trend, in a sell trend as the last signal given, of course, from the KGT. Second, we can see that, we start to see some divergence here on the 5-minute chart for Solana, so be careful with it. So until, of course, this price break this low here, right? But we have some signals pushing up. Of course, don't forget that we are very close to ending diagonal, right? And that is a confirmation that we might finish our wave 3 very, very soon. Now, of course, with this divergence here, where we can see, of course, this signal with this price is moving down while the price is still higher, right? So that is a divergence, and that might of course tell us that Solana might move a little bit higher again until we get a bearish signal somehow here after finishing your wave 3. And that we gonna move higher again, that because of your wave 4. Don't forget we are in 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5. So preferably to get, of course, a bearish signal again, which is lower than this one. It is preferably that the CVDs doesn't goes higher to get this signal. Otherwise, of course, the bulls has won the trade here, and of course they took over the trade. But so far we are still good in a good position, of course. And of course, we need one more signal here for a wave F5 to move towards the downside. So this is working perfectly with our Elliott wave prediction and analysis. So let's watch and see what's gonna happen. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.